So we are on this chapter, Nimai the Friend Forever. Okay, we are doing this chapter. And what happens in this chapter is about Nimai. Nimai is what? Nimai is a neem tree. And why is he called the friend forever? Because he holds a very, very special place in our family. And whose family is this? This family is of Raghav. Raghav is a boy who has his grandfather, and his grandfather has planted this Nimai tree, and he has been spending a lot of time near the Nimai tree. Okay, so this is the only tree. This is the only neem tree in the world which has a name. So Nimai कभी generally आपने नहीं देखा होगा ना पेड़ों को नाम देते हुए. But these people have named their trees. These people have named their tree as Nimai. Okay. And why they have called it Nimai? Because they are a Bengali household. Okay, they are a Bengali household. Bengali में Nimai नीम को generally Nimai बोलते हैं तो उन्होंने इसका नाम Nimai रख दिया. Okay. Now what happens? All the important functions of the family, all the occasions of the family, any puja, any name नामकरण संस्कार, सारे जो occasions होते हैं, where does these occasions takes place? All the occasions take place in the Nimai tree. Nimai tree के नीचे सारे functions होते हैं. वहां पे राघव के जो grandfather हैं, he spends a lot of time there. He spends his time there reading, talking about the culture, talking about the plants. He spends a lot of time there. So one day, what happens? Raghav goes to call his grandfather, and he sees that grandfather is sleeping over there. So he has dozed off. But when he tries to wake his grandfather up, उसके grandfather को उठाते हैं कि आपका निमाई ट्री से बात करने का time हो गया है. Just wake up, दादाजी. But his grandfather doesn't wake up. So what has happened? His grandfather has died. Okay, Raghav के grandfather की death हो जाती है, and there are some few leaves which has fallen off from the nimai tree on his lap. Nimai से कुछ पत्ते गिर के उनके ऊपर पड़े हुए हैं, and the grandfather has died. So Raghav becomes very, very sad because of the death of his grandfather. Okay, and now what happens one day? His grandfather has died. This section is over. Now, as time passes by, one day Raghav's mother informs him that we are getting a new car. So सोचो आपको information मिले आपके घर से, आपको ये news मिले कि अपने घर पे एक नई कार आ रही है, कितनी खुशी की बात होगी, right? So similarly, Raghav gets very, very excited about the new car, and he announces that today I will go in a drive in the car with my father. Okay, तो आज मैं अपने पापा के साथ ड्राइव पे जाऊंगा जैसे कार आई है वैसे ही. But as soon as he gets another news from the from his father, he gets very, very sad. And what is that news? Do you all know what is that news? क्या news मिली राघव को कि वो बहुत बहुत sad हो गया? Yes, tell me the answer. What news does Raghav get that he gets very, very sad? Okay, Anshul, I'm unmuting you.
The news came that we want a new garage for our car, so we cut the Nimai tree.
Yes, good. So they get the news that we are getting a new car and we need a garage for this car. So अब garage बनाने के लिए हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा? नीम ट्री को काटना पड़ेगा. ये जो निमाई ट्री है उसको काटना पड़ेगा. So Raghav becomes suddenly very, very sad. उसको बहुत गुस्सा आने लगता है कि इतना पुराना नीम ट्री है. How could you even think of cutting the tree? आप इसको काटने का सोच भी कैसे सकते थे? But राघव के फादर मना कर देते हैं कि नो, हमें गैरेज की जरूरत है तो हमको ये नीम ट्री काटना पड़ेगा. ओके, एंड नाउ व्हाट हैपेंस इन द चैप्टर? राघव को ये नीम ट्री काटना मतलब राघव के डैड को ये डिसाइड कर देते कि ये नीम ट्री हमें काटना पड़ेगा. ओके चिल्ड्रन, सो वी आर ऑन पेज नंबर 37. We will do the oral response questions of page number 37. So take out the page number 37. The questions of page number 37. Just take out. We will do it faster. Otherwise, this chapter will be left. Okay, children, so you are preparing for your half yearlies. I hope you are. And have you got the format? आप सबको फॉर्मेट पता चल गया क्या है फॉर्मेट? There will be multiple choice questions, right? Did you get the format? There will be multiple choice questions in your exam, in your half-yearly exam, and you have to solve these out. And I hope you have got the timetable of the half-yearly exams as well. Okay, so let's start with the oral response questions on page number 37. Yeah, so let's start. Question number 1. Where had the old man enjoyed happiness and sorrows of life? Yes, you answer me. Where have this old man has enjoyed the happiness and sorrows of life? Okay, Dia, I'm unmuting you.
The shade of trees was the place of the old man enjoyed happiness and sorrow life.
So who is the old man here we are talking about? Who is the old man?
Raghav's grandfather.
Yeah, good. So Raghav ke jo grandfather hai, he has enjoyed all his sorrows and all the happiness of life under the Nimai tree. And what is the sorrow of life जो जिसकी हम बात करें? What is the sorrow of life जो उनको बहुत दुख हुआ था? What is the sorrow of life which we are talking about here? Yes, children, answer me. What is the sorrow of life? Devraj, I'm unmuting you.
Ma'am,
Yes,
that
Devraj.
that news come that his wife has been died at his uncle house.
Yes, yes, good. So there's a news कि राघव के जो दादी हैं, that Raghav's grandmother has died, and that's why he becomes very, very sad. That's why who becomes very, very sad? Raghav's grandfather, he becomes very, very sad, and he starts spending more and more time under the Nimai tree. He stays very calm now, and he spends more and more time under the Nimai tree. Okay, question number 2, where were the naming ceremonies and the birthday parties of the grandchildren performed? So we know kahan pe hoti sari birthday parties or naming ceremonies. You all know, right? Yes, tell me. Very, very easy one it is. Ayush, you're raising your hand, but dear, you have not switched on your camera. Please turn on your camera. Shazeeb, you also. Those who are raising your hands, but you have not turned on your cameras. Ayush, I'm unmuting you.
The
Yes,
shade
Ayushi.
of the tree was the shade of the tree was the place where all the ceremonies and birthday naming ceremonies are held.
So this is the shade of the Nimai tree. Okay, good. Okay, so next one, question number 3. How had the grandma died? How had the grandma died? We all know. Who will answer? Very, very easy question. Answer me faster. And raise your hand also, because others, I want answers from others as well. Kushi, I'm unmuting you. Okay, wait, I have unmuted some other person. Yeah, let me unmute you, Kushi.
Grandma had died from heart attack.
Yes, good. So grandmother has died of heart attack. Okay, next one. Okay, you can lower your hand so that we can answer the next question. We can start with the next question. How had the grandma died? It was of heart attack. She died of heart attack at his uncle's house. Fourth one, where did the old man confine after the death of his wife? So again, grandfather. What happened after the death of grandmother? What had happened after the death of grandmother? Akshita, you are also raising your hand, but you are not visible to me, baby. Ruko, I'm unmuting you. Heminder. Heminder, I'm unmuting you.
The old man spent his old time under the Nimaya tree.
The old man, he confined him after the death of his wife under the Nimai tree. And why did he become sad? वो इतना sad क्यों हो गए थे और निमाई ट्री पे ज्यादा टाइम क्यों spend करने लग गए थे? Yes, Heminder, tell me.
Because of his wife's death from heart
Yes,
attack.
because of his wife. Yes, good. So his wife died because of heart attack, and that's why he became sad. And और ज्यादा time वो spend करने लगे कहाँ? At under the Nimai tree. Okay, so let's move towards next page, page number 38. Okay. Okay, where's the next page? Yeah. So I guess we have completed this page also. Yes, we have completed. Yeah, we have completed this page also. So let's do the oral response question of these one as well. We have completed this chapter, this page, and let's do the oral response questions of this one. Okay, first one. Whom does Raghav's mother send to call the grandfather? Raghav की mother ने किसको बुलाया था grandfather को बुलाने के लिए? Very easy one, very easy one. Yes, children. Kashish, I'm unmuting you.
Raghav.
Yes. So tell me the whole answer. Tell me the full answer of that.
Raghav mother told Raghav to call his grandfather from the Nimai tree.
Yeah, and why did she call? Why did she call? Why did she? उसने राघव को क्यों भेजा? राघव grandfather को उठाने के लिए?
Ma'am,
The
because
question number 2.
grandpa had this. How did Raghav वाला ma'am?
नहीं, मैं आपको दूसरा क्वेश्चन पूछ रही हूँ कि जो राघव की मदर थी, why did she send Raghav to call the grandfather? ग्रैंडफादर को उठाने के लिए क्यों भेजा उसने, उनकी मदर ने?
Ma'am, because grandpa was sitting outside and even it was dark.
And the grandfather, it was his time to chat with Nimai tree. उनका टाइम हो गया था, तो राघव की मदर ने भेजा because he was wherever he was sitting under the Nimai tree and it was dark, and so Raghav's grandmother told कि आप जाके दादाजी को उठा के लाओ. Okay, question number 3. How did Raghav try to wake up his grandpa? Yes, children, tell me. Why did कैसे राघव ने उठाने की कोशिश की grandfather को? Okay, Neha, I'm unmuting you. I guess I've unmuted some other person or not. Where is Neha?
Sorry, ma'am, I don't know the answer of this question. By mistake, I raised my hand.
It's okay, dear. You can try answering, no problem. कि राघव ने कैसे उठाने की कोशिश की ग्रैंडफादर को? राघव अपने ग्रैंडफादर को उठाने के लिए गया और उसने कैसे उठाया ग्रैंडफादर को? उसके ग्रैंडफादर को कैसे उठाया? He tried to try answering कि कैसे उठाने की क्वेश्चन की. Try finding the answer in the paragraph.
Raghav tried to wake him up. Grandpa, your time for chatting with Nimai is up. His grandfather had bent down on his chest at Raghav's touch.
Like, see, grandpa, उसने क्या किया? Raghav, he told his grandfather that grandpa, it is your time for chatting with Nimai tree. So wake up. उसने grandfather को बोला ऐसे उठाते हैं अपन किसी को भी. So he said, आपका Nimai tree से बात करने का टाइम हो गया है. So just wake up. Okay. Okay, dear. Where are you? I'm not able to unmute you. Yeah. Okay. Okay, some people are joining the class. Okay, next one. Third one. Where did the leaves from the trees fall? Question number 3. Where did the leaves from the trees fall? Trees की जो leaf हैं, वो कहाँ आके गिरी थी? Yes, who will answer? Akshita, I'm unmuting you.
Ma'am, the leaves from the trees fall on the old man's lap.
Yes. And why do you think, Akshita, I'm asking you again, कि क्यों लगता है आपको कि जो leaves जो हैं trees की, वो राघव के grandfather की lap में आके गिर गई? So why do you think कि इसका symbol क्या हो सकता है कि ऐसे पेड़ से पत्तियां आके गिर गई? What does that mean?
मैम क्योंकि लीव्स नहीं चाहती थी कि ग्रैंडपा वहां से जाए.
नहीं, ऑल्सो जैसे कि उनकी डेथ हो गई तो अपन क्या करते हैं, फूल चढ़ाते हैं ना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल फूल चढ़ाते हैं, कुछ चढ़ाते हैं, किसी की डेथ हो जाती है तब. सो इट वाज लाइक अ ट्रिब्यूट. इतना टाइम ग्रैंडफादर ने निमाई के साथ स्पेंड किया था, इतना टाइम निमाई ने ग्रैंडफादर के साथ स्पेंड किया था. So the both Nimai and grandfather were attached to each other, and it was like a tribute, as if the Nimai tree was paying a tribute to grandfather. He was saying goodbye to grandfather. Okay. Okay, next one. Okay, wait, I am not unmuted you. Uh, who was it? I hope everyone is muted, right? If I have not unmuted you, just in case, then you please you can mute yourself. Okay, just in case if I forget to mute you, you can mute yourself. Okay. Next one. Who was the materialistic in the family of Raghav? So who was materialistic in the family of Raghav? Others also please answer the question again and again. Not the same people will be answering. Aryan, you answer. I'm unmuting you.
The Raghav's father was materialistic in the family of Raghav.
And yes, good. And what is the meaning of materialistic? Materialistic का मतलब क्या होता है? कोई भी person अगर materialistic है, तो what does that mean? Try, Anil. Anyone knows what is the meaning of materialistic? किसी को पता है materialistic का मतलब क्या है? Okay, let me ask. Okay, Anshul and Kanishk are raising their hand. Okay, Kanishk, you answer. What is the meaning of materialistic?
मैम मेटेरियलिस्टिक का मतलब जो है ना परिवार से ज्यादा चीजों में है ना ध्यान देता है ज्यादा.
Now try answering in English. A
Ma'am,
materialistic person.
ma'am, this
is
person. Ma'am, person then he so much.
He is more interested. He is more interested
in things, not a family.
Yes, good, very good. So this person is not interested in family or the feelings of people, but he is more interested in things rather than he's more interested in material. जो इंसान material में चीजों में ज्यादा विश्वास करे, he is called as materialistic rather than the feelings of the people or rather than the people. लोगों से ज्यादा उसको चीजों में interest हो, that is called as a materialistic person. Okay, Kanishk, have I unmuted you? Okay, you have unmuted yourself. Good. Okay, so next one is which surprising news did the mother bring? जो surprising news जो थी mother क्या लेके आई थी? What was the surprising news there? Yes, children, faster. Okay, again, the same people are raising their hands. I want others also to answer. Shazeb, you're raising your hand from the starting, but you're not visible to me. You are not visible to me. You have not turned on your camera. You and Akshita both. Please turn on your camera. What was the surprising news जो mother लेके आई थी? What was the surprising news? Okay, पहला I'm unmuting you.
Mother came in with the news of the day. I have a surprise for you. Do you know our new car, Maruti car, is coming today?
Yes, so ये तो आपने पूरा वहां से सेंटेंस ले लिया. इसको आंसर के फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करने की कोशिश करो. What was the surprising news? The surprising news was that
The new car was coming.
yes, good. The surprising news was that the new Maruti car was coming. Good. Okay, can you unmute yourself? I'm not able to see you, so can you please unmute yourself? Have you? Okay, good. Okay, so next one. Where is it? Yeah. What made Raghav feel excited? What made Raghav feel excited? So it was again the same news. It was the same news that the car is going to come. The new Maruti car is coming. So that's why this boy Raghav became very, very excited and very, very happy because the new car was coming. Okay, next one. Why was the first rush of excitement over soon? Question number 3. Why was the first rush of excitement over soon? एकदम से जो खुशी हुई थी वो सारी over क्यों हो गई? Yes, children, others. Akshita, you are raising your hand, but you are not visible to me. Why was the first rush of excitement over? Kashish, I'm unmuting you. Don't turn off your camera. Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes, Kashish, answer.
His mother tried to break the next news to Raghav cautiously.
नहीं, जो एकदम से नहीं, जो सारा एक्साइटमेंट था राघव का, वो खत्म क्यों हो गया एकदम से? वो बहुत एक्साइटेड था कार को लेके, फिर सडनली उसका सारा एक्साइटमेंट क्यों खत्म हो गया?
Ma'am,
Why did
because her
why
mother said that your papa said that we have to cut the Nimai tree for making our new garage.
Yes, good. So you can unmute yourself now. Okay, good. So क्या उसके फादर ने बोला कि now we have to make a new garage for our new car, and that's why we have to cut the Nimai tree. And Raghav was very, very much attached to the Nimai tree. That's why he got very, very sad, and his first rush of excitement was over. That how could you think of cutting the tree? When was the boy's voice lost in uncontrollable sobs? बॉय कौन है यहाँ? राघव. राघव एकदम से sobs मतलब when you like सुबक सुबक के रोते हो ना, that is called as sobbing. Okay, तो जो राघव था वो एकदम सुबक सुबक के क्यों रोने लगा? Yes, answer me. Yes, children, answer me the question. मैं किसी को भी अभी अनम्यूट कर दूंगी if you do, people don't raise your hand. Okay, Anshul, you answer.
The boy voice was lost in uncontrollable sobs because his father talk about to cut the Nimai tree.
Yes, his father asked to cut.
That's why the boy Raghav was in uncontrollable sobs.
Okay, good. So now this boy Raghav, he started crying because he knew that the Nimai tree is going to be cut. And he was very, very much attached with the tree, and he could not bear कि निमाई ट्री को आप कैसे काट सकते हो, तो उसको विश्वास ही नहीं हो रहा था. And that's why he started sobbing. Okay, children, so do you have any doubt, or do you want any other chapter to be revised? I don't know if the classes will be taking place or not. That we will come to know. But if in case if we revise the next chapter, which chapter do you want to be revised? Anyone, you can tell me. Do you have any doubt regarding this chapter, or do you want any other chapter to be revised? Do you have a doubt regarding your exams, or do you have any doubt regarding? So some people were asking me कि मैम हम vocab करें कि नहीं करें, vocabulary करनी है कि नहीं करनी है. So children, what do you do? आपको जो जो chapters मैंने करवाए हैं उनका vocabulary आप सारा कर लें. Okay, I hope that is clear to you. जो जो भी चैप्टर आपको मैंने पढ़ाए हैं आप उन सबका vocabulary कर लें, क्योंकि उसका मुझे I'm sure that मैंने जिस चैप्टर आपको पढ़ाए हैं उसका vocabulary मैंने करवाया है, right? So you can complete the vocabulary part of that chapter. And vocabulary को लेके इतना टेंशन मत लें, ठीक है? These the questions which I have given in the exam, and they are very easy ones. Okay, you can just guess the answer from there कि क्या इसका मतलब होगा. So there is no issue with that. Okay, do you have any other doubt? Anyone else? Do you have a doubt? Okay, Kanishk is raising his hand. Kanishk, I'm unmuting you.
Ma'am, chapter 3.
Chapter 3. Which one is chapter 3?
The princess
Chap-
behind the veil.
So Princess Behind the Wheel, we have completed that. उसमें क्या issue है आपको बोलो?
Ma'am, I cannot understand the story.
Okay, you were not able to understand the story. So आपने वीडियो देखा है मेरा? अभी आपने वीडियो देखा मैंने आपको जो इसका
Yes,
सेंड किया था, जब भी समझाया था? आपने देखा फिर भी नहीं समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
अभी अवेलेबल है वो Scholars ERP पे the video of the Princess Behind
Yes,
the Wheel?
ma'am.
Is it available
Yes,
there?
ma'am.
So you can just एक बार आप फिर से ट्राई करें, फिर से ट्राई करें वहां पे रिवाइज करने का. And in next who is saying that? Who's not unmuted?
9:50 पे खत्म हो जाएगी.
Okay, बेटा 9:50 पे खत्म हो जाएगी, थोड़ा सा शांत रहें, whoever it is. Okay, Kanishk, we will try revising this chapter in the next one. Okay, जो भी आपका ये वाली क्लास है. And in the next class we will try doing this one. मैं आपको फटाफट से story explain कर दूंगी. In case if you're not able to get your stories, I will explain that. Okay, anyone else has any other doubt? Anyone else? Anshul is raising your hand. Anshul, do you have a doubt? Okay, I'm unmuting you.
I'm in chapter 1, the school with the difference.
Okay, the school with the difference. So 2 chapters हो गए हमारे. Okay, just in case if we have the next class, I will try to quickly revise ये जो दोनों chapters हैं, इनके stories हम next class में revise करने का try करेंगे. The school with the difference and the other one. Okay. Okay, children. So okay, Divraj, you are also raising your hand, but I guess the class will be over in a minute. Okay, so just answer me first. Yes.
Ma'am, chapter 7, adventure too much.
एडवेंचर टू मच का वीडियो भी है आपका ऑनलाइन पे, तो आप एक तो 2 चैप्टर्स एडवेंचर टू मच एंड प्रिंसेस बिहाइंड द व्हील, जस्ट चेक योर वीडियोस देयर एंड अगर उसके बाद भी इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू क्लियर इट, आई विल रिवाइज द चैप्टर्स ऑनलाइन. Okay children, that's all for today's lecture. Thank you so much for attending, and we will meet in the next class. Thank you.